At Crackology, our highly skilled crackologists come to your home with the intent to resolve your foundation problems the first time. We do this by being attentive to all your questions and concerns, giving you a holistic view of your problem and how we will resolve it. In addition to our detailed diagnosis of your problem, we will also educate you as to why it is a problem and how we will resolve it. No question is too simple or complex for the Crackology team. Our crackologists are trained and experienced in the science of cracks. They will thoroughly evaluate your foundation for the root causes of your problems and provide you with honest recommendations and options for your consideration. Our solutions are designed by our master crackologist, who has over 3 decades of working in foundation repair and waterproofing.